Hello YouTube, Al here. So, since we're all stuck inside in quarantine, I think I will quickly show you how to connect your guitar to your computer and some amp sim sort of software. So, this is my Custom 24, SE Custom 24. Guitar cable goes out, it goes into the interface. I'm using my iRig HD Pro HD2. It goes into my MacBook here. You can use it, go into an iPad or whatever, and I've got the Nollies plugin set up. So you'll need to make sure that in any of these softwares, whichever you use, you go to preferences or audio setup. There'll be something there, and make sure the input is set to your interface. If the input is not, there you go. Sorry, I'm not great at screen sharing. You have to make sure the input is set to your interface. If it isn't, then you're not going to get any sound. It's probably going to do the PC speaker or microphone instead. Sample rate, if it's too low, you're going to get lag. If it's too high, you're going to get... if it's too high, you're going to get lag. If it's too low, you're going to get stuttering and buffering. So you need to find a nice middle ground that your PC can deal with. Noise gate. Right, so listen to this. This is a clean sound, and there's some background noise. There's a noise gate. On this plugin, it's right there. If I turn that up, then it goes away. So you need to find the smallest amount of on you can deal with before it gets too annoying. So you need to get rid of the noise, but don't have it on as more than you need to, otherwise it's going to choke your signal out. One thing is, on some of them, like is amplitude, you get a release. The release control is how quickly it clamps down your signal after you finish playing. So the lower you have that set, the faster it clamps down. The higher you have that set, the more sort of freedom it gives you. So really, again, you want everything set as minimal as possible. So here's just how it sounds clean. I can feel a little bit of lag, so if I got audio set up, sample rate, if I go 64 samples. So sample rate will mean if it's a bit lower, you kind of get lower quality, but it lowers the latency, so you need to find a nice medium. That's a nice clean tone. So think of it like an amp in that if you go to a, let's see, a higher gain one, there's more noise in the background. I've got that coil split, get rid of the coil split, and it doesn't really help. So I need to turn the gate up. On this, the gate changes for different amps and presets. It might in your software, it might not. But again, this is the minimum gate where it goes away. Still a bit there in the background, so. A little bit more, you still hear it buzzing in the background. I'll turn the speaker up so you can hear me a bit better. So there you go, that in short is how you get rid of background noise and how you connect your guitar to PC. There are loads of free amp sims. When I got the iRig HD2, about a week ago now, I've just been playing around with it, you get amplitude and a load of bundles with that. You get it on iOS and you get it on Mac and PC. I got a new, bigger interface because I had a Behringer, but I needed more inputs. I'm still trying to learn home recording. So that's gone up. So I've got that now, and I've got Guitar Rig 5. I haven't really delved into that as yet. I've still been learning all this stuff, setting it up, but I thought I'd do a quick video on the basics of how to connect a guitar to a PC and how to get rid of that damn background noise, because loads of people and ah about it for 9 minutes and don't actually tell you how to fix the problem. I think it's definitely RF interference caused by just stray frequencies in the air. It's not a hardware fault, so it's not like you've got faulty gear. It's not really a software fault, so you can't blame a free amp sim for causing the problem. Gain makes it worse, so it's not like you get a high gain amp and you go, oh, this sim must be rubbish. No, it's not. It's doing what it's meant to do with what it's given. So yeah, look for a noise gate. If you're just using a plugin in a DAW, you'd have to add a noise gate before the amp, as I understand it, because that sort of will do the same thing. If that amp plugin doesn't have a noise gate built in, not all of them do. So there you go. That's a quick how-to. I hope this has been helpful. Like, subscribe, all that nonsense. As I learn more and I feel I can pass on any of this information to do with the home recording side, I will do so. I've got loads of pedal reviews coming up, guitar fixes, updates, all that stuff. So thanks, like, subscribe, all that nonsense. I'm Al, and I'll see you next week. Till then, bye-bye.
Bye!